Okay, this question is asking to figure out what fiscal policy would get us to our potential output. If we're currently producing 850 and potential output is 800 billion, we need to decrease GDP. So we need to figure out by how much. So we look and we have to remember that there's a different multiplier for taxes as there is for spending and transfers. So we got to make sure that we know which multiplier to use. So let's look at government spending. We know that it's not going to be E. They don't want to increase spending. They want to cut spending because we're in an inflationary gap. So we know it's not E. And we know that, again, we don't want to increase transfers because increasing the amount of money that the government gives to people increases consumption and actually grows output, and we want to shrink it, so it's not D. So we said that the answer has to do with taxes. So we know that we're going to have to use the tax multiplier. And the tax multiplier is going to be MPC over 1 minus MPC. And we know that the MPC here is 0.8 because it's a given. So we know that the multiplier is 0.8 over 0.2. Right? 1 minus 0.8 gives us 0.2, which gives us a multiplier of 4. So now we just need to figure out how much to cut. We know that at the end of the day, we need to cut $50 billion, and that's going to be equal to the change in taxes times the multiplier. So we're going to just do some basic arithmetic, divide both sides by 4. We know that we're going to have to increase taxes then by 50 divided by 4, which comes out to be $12.5 billion. So if we increase taxes by $12.5 billion, we'll see a $50 billion total decrease in output. And the answer then to this question is C.